Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today's topic is rhyming scheme of sonnets, which is very useful for any competitive exam aspirant, specifically UGC NET and MA English entrance. The word sonnet is derived from Italian word sonetto, which means a little song or small lyric. In poetry, sonnet has 14 lines and is written in iambic pentameter. Each line has 10 syllables and it has a specific rhyme scheme. The 13th century poet and notary Giacomo da Lentini is credited with sonnet's invention. सबसे पहले कुछ बेसिक टर्म्स समझते हैं एंड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू राइमिंग स्कीम. ऑक्टेव एंड सेस्टेट, इन दो टर्म्स को समझना ज़रूरी है. इन अ सोनेट द ट्रेडिशनल डिविजन ऑफ लाइन्स इज एन octave or octet consisting of the first 8 lines and the sestet consisting of the last 6 lines. There are multiple rhyming scheme and variations, but most sonnets follow the octet sestet structure. Sonnets are poetries with 14 lines, I have already told, and Italian sonnets have a specific pattern that has an octave, a section with 8 lines, and a sestet with the other rest of the 6 lines. Generally, sonnets are divided into different groups based on the rhyme scheme they follow, and the rhyme of a sonnet are arranged according to a certain rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme in English is usually A B A B C D C D E F E F G G, and in Italian A B B B A C D E C D E. सॉनेट्स को मेनली इन 6 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है. इटालियन सॉनेट, शेक्सपियरियन सॉनेट, स्पेंसेरियन सॉनेट, मिल्टॉनिक सॉनेट, टेजारिमा सॉनेट और कर्टल सॉनेट. तो in this first part of video we will understand about Italian and Shakespearean, and in the next part we will do rest of the 4. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इटालियन सोनेट की. द पेट्रार्कन सोनेट इज अ सोनेट फॉर्म not developed by Petrarch himself. This is also called Petrarchan sonnet, but rather by a string of Renaissance poet. तो इटालियन सोनेट्स जनरली पेट्रार्कन सोनेट भी बोला जाता है, और नाम से ऐसा लगता है कि पेट्रार्क ने इसको डेवलप किया होगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है. द सोनेट वॉज क्रिएटेड बाय गियाकामो डा लेंटिनी, हु वॉज एन इटालियन पोएट ऑफ 13th century, and he was a senior poet of the Sicilian school and was a notary at the court of Holy Roman Emperor Frederick II. सो प्लीज़ डू रिमेंबर ऑल दी फैक्ट्स. आपसे कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है कि ये सोनेट किसने डेवलप किया था एंड ड्यूरिंग विच emperor's reign this sonnet was developed. Even that kind of questions can be asked. So whomsoever developed it, and there may be many poets behind it, but the most famous early sonneteer was Petrarch. Other fine examples of this kind of poetry are Michelangelo, who was an Italian sculptor, painter, architect and poet of high Renaissance period. स्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं इटालियन सोनेट की. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टिपिकल इटालियन सोनेट इंक्लूडेड 2 parts that together form a compact form of argument. First, the octave forms the proposition which describes a problem or a question, you can say, which is followed by a sestet, or you can say 2 tessets, 2 pair of 3 lines, which proposes a resolution. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. आई हैव टेकन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ पोइट्री बाय एलिजाबेथ बैरेट ब्राउनिंग. दिस इज अ पेट्रार्कन और यू कैन से इटालियन सोनेट. द सोनेट नेम इज हाउ डू आई लव दी. How do I love thee? Let me count my ways. I love thee to the depth and breadth and height. My soul can reach when feelings out of sight. I'm reading just this much. Concentrate more on the rhyming scheme. The rhyme scheme of a Petrarchan sonnet features the first 8 lines called an octet, matlab 8 lines, which rhymes as A B B A C D C D C D. The remaining 6 lines are called sestet and might have a range of rhyme scheme. Now we will talk about Shakespearean sonnet. Shakespeare's sonnets are poems that William Shakespeare wrote on a variety of themes. When discussing or referring to Shakespeare's sonnets, it is almost always a reference to the 154 sonnets that were first published all together in a quarto in 1609. शेक्सपियरियन सोनेट का स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं. इट इज़ जनरली रिटन इन iambic pentameter in which there are 10 syllables in each line and composed of 14 lines as usual, and most are divided into 3 quatrains. मतलब 3 पैराग्राफ्स 4 लाइन्स के and a final paragraph that is a couplet. Couplet means 2 लाइन्स का. सो राइमिंग स्कीम जनरली क्या होती है वो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. A B C D E F G G. This sonnet form and rhyme scheme is also known as English sonnet. Now let us take an example of Shakespeare sonnet. This is sonnet number 1 from his 154 sonnets collection. Concentrate on rhyme scheme only at present. The rhyme scheme of the Shakespearean sonnet is A B C D E F G G, which seems difficult to follow, hence maybe only Shakespeare is known to have done it. You can have a deep look at it, pause the video and judge the rhyme scheme that I just told. Here also I have used this example sonnet number 116 just to show you the rhyming scheme A B C D E F G G. Here again you can pause the video and have a deeper look at the rhyming scheme of this sonnet. So we have reached to the end of this part of the video. In next part we will concentrate on Spenserian sonnet, Miltonic sonnet, Tessa-Rima sonnet and Curtal sonnet. Please contact us to join our online and offline classes, and do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exam.